Hey guys, it's Danny here. I'm working on this rooftop unit for a meat case for the supermarket, and the system has a leak. So as soon as I remove the cap for the suction port, I noticed some fluorescent dye pouring out of it. So I'm going to show it to you guys first, and then soon explain to you guys what it is. So here it is. Right, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is some fluorescent dye around this suction port. Now, I don't know if the lighting is good enough, but there is some fluorescent dye coming out, and what that is, that technicians use this dye, they pour it into the system in order to detect a leak. Now, some technicians use this dye. I preferably don't like using it. What I like to do is I pressure test my system with nitrogen in order to find the leak. Some technicians use this dye. Now, usually lazy technicians use this dye in order to find the leak. Sometimes they find it, sometimes they don't. Now, as the end user, what I tell my end users is, if they ever see this fluorescent dye anywhere on their system, it's a big red flag not to think of actually buying a new system and not fixing it. Usually these leaks are very small. That's why the technician used the refrigerant dye leak detector in the first place. But usually I just tell my customer it's not worth the fix and just to get a new system. So if you guys ever come across this dye, it's a good idea to get a new system and just not bother fixing it, or else it's a big fix and it's going to come with a big price.